Oh, hi. I have a cooling issue. Or, well, more specifically, I have a lack of cooling issue. Because when I pour any coolant in, you can sort of hear as it starts all coming out from the bottom.
I don't think anything's happening.
Really? There's a little bit of an oil leak, which is very me. But you're right, there's no water coming.
So did you just pour a bunch of water in your coolant?
Shortest episode ever.
And how you gonna get that water out?
No, I mean you can. Well, yeah, kind of. But you can run water when you're when you have an emergency. I guess I'm gonna go get some more water. It's not bubbling anymore.
Does that mean it's peeing? Oh,
Well, then-
it's staying.
It's staying on this level. What is happening? It's losing coolant somewhere. And last week I was certain that it was one of the lower coolant lines that was just popped open off or something. And now it's not. Should I run it? This was supposed to be really easy and simple. Me going, boop, put one pipe pack and then be like, anyways, let's talk about the whole cost of the Project Peugeot. And now, well, I guess I have to run it now, yeah. There's nothing there. Well, why was my coolant empty then?
What?
If this is now also fixed, that means I still need to drain the entire coolant system anyways and put real coolant in it rather than run with water. I'm not really good at this, but that's why it's fun. There's definitely pressure in the radiator.
Me, don't pull different pipes out of your car while it's running.
It was also quite pink, so there is some sort of coolant in the radiator or somewhere. But I've also now ruined our test because I've just put a lot of water and coolant onto the floor, so I can't be like, oh look, there's a puddle. It's like, there might be an extra puddle. I don't know. Well, actually, I'm not leaking coolant. Well, that was a great short episode. Thank you very much for watching. No, I was going to talk about the price of the car anyways.
And your existential confusion.
I thought I've lost my mind.
Hey, if it makes you feel better, I did see it leak. Because I was here when it leaked.
Yeah.
So you do have a witness.
I didn't lose my mind. You lost my mind. Oh, this was going to be about the price of the whole project car. I'm going to go through every single detail. Okay, the car cost 3,350 euros. Go grab my notepad. I'm going to start pointing at every single individual part and say how much it cost. This little fender right here, that was 112 euros. This side skirt, 52 euros. This entire rear quarter panel, 210. The trunk with the mechanism for the spoiler was 342 or 252. I'm not sure. Don't worry about it. That's another part for another project car. Muffler, 150 euros. There was also the little chrome piece that goes around it. That was also another 100 euros, but I was like, I'll think about it. The door was 200 euros. Also the window mechanism inside of it, which was broken, was 153 euros. I don't think I've included VAT on any of this. Let's go inside. Rear view mirror, 22 euros. Floor mats, 70 euros. That door hinge, 20 euros. I got a floor mat for the trunk as well, even though I had one. So now I have extra floor mats. Well, that was 60 euros. I don't know whether to count that as a real cost or not. Okay, there's going to be a lot of things sort of in the engine bay that we did, but I'm going to call out the sort of high ticket ones, right? High pressure fuel pump all the way down here. That was 410 euros. The turbo was 280 euros. And then I put almost like 500 euros as both like getting some extra mechanical help, the coffees, fuel filters, oils, coolant, one of the ignition coils that I swapped out. Basically other maintenance cost like another 500 euros. What have I missed out on? Logos. I got the 5008 or 3008 logos for this, which I have somewhere. I know I have somewhere. And, like I said, last big ticket item, the paint job. I presume I'm going to be running the total already on the screen, so people might be under the impression that, oh, this is actually not that bad of a price. But the paint job ruins everything. A full paint job on this car with, I think it was whatever, 13 panels altogether to be painted, plus a huge amount of like body work, body filling, and like the roof dents. And anyways, the full paint job was 2,300 euros. So if my calculations are right, which I know they aren't because I've missed out on VAT and other things like that, it's basically at around 8,200 euros right now. And considering I've spent like 6 months weekends doing this, definitely not gonna go professional with rebuilding cars. And it definitely doesn't make financial sense to do it my way rather than just buy one. But it's a fun car. I've enjoyed working on it. I really did want to call this project completed, but I still haven't done the wheels. Do I get them just repainted? Do I get them repaired because they've been scuffed? Do I just get another set of wheels? The cheapest set of wheels that matched this was, I think, 400 euros. Repainting is about 200, 300 euros, or with the fixing. If I repaint them, I have to, and not buy new wheels, I have to lift this car up and leave it on the little jack stands, take the wheels to repair. Such a hassle. Do I buy the second pair of wheels anyways to have like winter tires and summer tires? If I do go for the paint job, what color do I go for it? Reds again? Better reds? Do I go for black? Silver? What? So I decided that I'm not gonna do it. But as usual with life and everything, my wife suggested that I should repaint them, and I should also repaint the arches. So I think that project's now live again. Actually, someone did ask me like 3 months ago in the comments about how you remove the arches and paint them. I guess that's a good reason for me to cover that topic again. So this project has been successfully completed and then reopened again. Thanks, wife.
You're welcome.